All right, so you've probably heard the term criticality assessment multiple times, but let's discuss what it is and why it's important. First and foremost, a criticality assessment is a ranking of our machines based upon some criteria that we will deem critical to us. Now, that criteria can be across multiple things. It could be based upon safety, it could be based upon accessibility, but probably the most common are machines that are critical for our production, for the process. Usually the way that I describe this in our classes is if that machine turns off and the lights go off in the facility, that is a very critical machine. If you have a single engine airplane, the most critical asset on that airplane is the engine, right? If it's going to cause some sort of safety ramification, we are trying to rank the different assets based upon those different criteria. And that criteria is different from plant to plant. Some of them could even be environmental, but first and foremost, not all machines are created equal. They're not treated equal. So we are going to rank them based upon the word we use, criticality. Second, a criticality assessment could be based upon failures, all right? We are trying to look at machines that have a chronic failure history, and we will rank these failure modes and take specific action to start reducing those failure modes that we see. So our critical machines may be the ones that fail more often. That guides us to maybe using predictive maintenance, proactive maintenance. It starts to guide what types of activities we're actually going to do for these machines. Finally, whenever we start to think about costs, we have a finite budget, we have finite manpower. So a criticality assessment helps guide us to working on the machines or working towards the problems that we face that are going to give us the biggest impact, the biggest return on investment. So really starting out in maintenance, if we don't have a criticality assessment in place, we really need to start one. So if you're looking to conduct a criticality assessment and you need some help, look at our friends at AssetWatch. This is what they do. So to find more about their process, visit the link in the description.